Welcome back to the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani Das, and in this lesson I'm going to be giving you a start towards finger picking on the ukulele. Super easy. A lot of my students don't know where to start with finger picking, and being an amateur ukulele player, but very experienced ukulele teacher, having taught hundreds of people, I want to give you my tips and my advice on starting with finger picking, because some of the pros, it's a little overwhelming. So I think, us novices, intermediate players, learning from each other might be a better place to start. So that's what I'm guessing. If you haven't done any finger picking, you're in the right spot. I want to give you a great starting point. Okay, so first of all, one thing is anchor your picking hand, all right? So your right hand, if you're right-handed, anchor that on the face of the ukulele. So you're going to use your thumb and index finger mostly for this. That's where I would start, thumb and index. And so your other fingers can be used as kind of a resting or anchor point. Now, once you've got that, super easy, you guys. This is so simple. And then you don't need to do any chording, so I'm just going to support the neck, so you can do that with me. And then we're going to pluck outside. We're going to start 1, 4, and let's just do that for a second. So just get oriented. So A string, G string, A string, G string. Outside strings. So bottom, top, 1, 4, 1, 4, A, G. You could play a lot of different rhythms there. Just hang out there for a while. Then, when you're ready, let's go in and get the E and the C string. All right, so now we're doing 2, 3, 2, 3. E, C, E, C, E, C. And hang out there, and just noodle around, play some different rhythms. You can mix it up a little if you want. Don't get too fancy, and just hang out there. 2, 3, 2, 3. Then, you know what's coming. We're going to combine them and do slowly outside, inside, starting with the number 1 finger. So index and then thumb. This is all index, thumb, index, thumb, index, thumb. So just alternating back and forth, starting on the A string, number 1 string, outside and then inside. Here's what that sounds like. Hey, and isn't that nice that it's a downward arpeggio? An arpeggio is a broken chord that we play in sequence. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. Those are the string numbers. String names: A, G, E, C. And just practice that. So you've got a nice arpeggio. It's so nice. You could just sing some songs over this. Now, last step, and these could each take several minutes or an hour or two, at each stage. So don't rush. I'm just showing you everything you're going to do in a short period of time. But of course, you can take your time, take more time. Last step is add some chords. So let's start with a C chord, and you're just going to do the same thing in your finger picking hand, your plucking hand, plucking the strings. Wow, isn't that nice? Now it's going to sound different if you're on a low G ukulele, right? It won't be as arpeggiated in the same way. And then you can just change your chords however you want. Any chords you want, doesn't matter. Do a little suspended chord. Did a little fancy rhythm there. You can, but that's the nice thing about this is you can do anything you want. You play around with the rhythms. but just start here. So our outside strings, inside strings. All right. That's what I have for you in this lesson. I hope that is helpful. If it is, let me know. Write some comments, share this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell, of course. I want to thank you for dropping by the Ukulele Club channel. If you'd like to find out more about this ukulele, Parapole Classic ukuleles, you can click the link below and find out more. Go out and make some great music, and I'll see you in another lesson.